Syncing vendors to OCR. In 2016, Microsoft introduced the concept of integrating back to the Lexmark ICS service, giving us the ability to OCR invoices, purchase invoices, if you will, and automatically bring that data back. It's been pretty painful to use. It was very painful to use in 16 and in NAV 17. What they found was one of the things that is really helpful is to give us the ability to synchronize vendors and leverage the vendor information to enhance the OCRing capabilities. So rather than just sending a random invoice into the OCR service and have the OCR service try to figure out how to slice the data or how to capture the data from each of those invoices, it's first now going to look at the vendor and know that this invoice is specific to that vendor. It's much more accurate from an OCRing standpoint, as well as bringing more complete data back into NAV upon the OCR recognition has been completed. That has been enhanced and really has been working a lot better. Again, some controls here. It's out-of-the-box synchronization. It comes turned off by default. We must enable the OCR service and sign up with Lexmark, but nonetheless, it's all pretty straightforward. So here's what that setup screen looks like, where, again, part of the combined setups that we talked about at the top of the hour. And you will see very easily all we have to do is just enable the checkbox and our usernames and password into the setup screen. The new feature that we're referring to is right here is the resync master data. That master data is now going to allow us to synchronize your vendor information up to Lexmark to improve that OCR capability. Here's another screenshot to show you from within the Lexmark service, your capability of being able to send different vendors, and it's nothing more than a listing of vendors. And each vendor can have a different layout for their invoices. So that's the key to improving all of this, is that the layout can be different by vendor. So it picks up the right character as optically as it reads through those invoices.